In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unfollow someone on Facebook. This process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. So what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal lines. On an Android phone, it's at the top right-hand corner. On an iPhone, it's at the bottom right-hand corner, I believe. So tap on those three stripes, and now you want to tap where it says Find Friends. I believe this just used to say Friends, so I'm going to tap on that. And here you'll see at the top Requests, and then All Friends. Tap on All Friends. That's going to show you a list of all your friends. Now all you need to do is tap on those three horizontal dots next to the person's name, and there you'll see a button that says Unfollow. You can just tap on that button right there and it will unfollow that person. And obviously I only have one friend on this account, so it only shows me one. But you can also search for your friends. If you tap the search button, just put in their name and search for them, and then you can unfollow them that way. And then another way of how you can do that is just to go to the person's profile. So if you see them in the news feed or something and you go to their profile, you can tap where it says friends, and then you can either take a break or unfriend that person. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.